Everyone, if you are wondering that followers flagged for review means on Instagram and how to remove them, this tutorial is for you. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping on your profile icon, which is the fifth button on the bottom right of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on your followers list. Under the categories section, you will see options like account you don't follow back and flagged for review. Tap on flagged for review to see all the accounts Instagram has flagged. These flagged followers are usually spam, bot, or suspicious account that Instagram detects as potentially irrelevant or harmful. They may include new accounts or users who don't see genuine. You will see a gray remove button next to each of these accounts, which allows you to remove them individually. If you want to remove them all at once, you can tap the blue remove all button at the top. This helps you. That's all you need to do to manage and remove flagged followers. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.